This is our previous example of having a masonry gallery in Divi machine. So it's working now, but there is an issue on Lightbox. So Lightbox is not working. Okay, so when we check the web console, so we have the error related to the Divi. Okay, so this is the error. Now let's also double check if the Lightbox is enabled in gallery module. So we are using this one. So double check if the Lightbox is enabled. And then to fix this issue, this is the default settings for the Divi theme options under performance. So if we disable this one, so dynamic JavaScript libraries, so it will fix the issue. Okay, so there is no error anymore. Let's check. Okay, so this is how to fix the issue. We have to disable this one, dynamic JavaScript libraries. Let's try if this is enabled. So error is shown, and then this is not working. The Lightbox is not working. Thank you.